Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch as you continue relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder while simultaneously reaching the right side of your face to the sky, lengthening through your neck. Adding on, begin to alternate pressing your right hand to the sky and gently pulling your right elbow in towards your waist, drawing your right shoulder down and back. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling this gentle movement create more mobility and flexibility while creating more space and ease through the right side of your neck, shoulder, and upper back. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this lateral neck stretch sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch as you continue relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder while simultaneously reaching the left side of your face to the sky, working to keep both sides of your neck long. Adding on, begin to alternate pressing your left hand to the sky and gently pulling your left elbow in towards your waist, drawing your left shoulder down and back. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling this gentle movement create more mobility and flexibility while releasing tension through the left side of your neck, shoulder, and upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations, increasing circulation and joint mobility through your lower leg, stretching through your calf muscle, ankle, and foot. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, making it as big or small as comfortable, increasing circulation through your lower body, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles while creating more mobility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side, beginning with ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Pausing, clasp your hands beneath your left leg, begin to gently extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue moving at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and set your left foot to the earth. Moving into a gentle seated twist. Sitting tall, place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Reach your left hand to your right leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, maintaining your hips facing forward, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, and spine. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your right hand to your left leg and place your left hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 200 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.